Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ. Friends, today we will discuss the vacancies released by United India Insurance Company Limited. So let's start the video. Friends, United Insurance Company Limited is a government of India undertaking. So they have released the recruitment of administrative officer scale 1. So here there are two types of vacancy. First is a specialist vacancy. At serial number 2 there is a vacancy for finance and investments. There are total 20 vacancies, and the second type of vacancy is journalist. There are total 100 vacancies. Then there is a category wise reservation is mentioned. So out of the total 100 vacancies of specialists for unreserved category, there are 41 vacancies and rest are all for reserved category candidate. In the same way, for administrative officer journalist division, there are total 100 vacancies, out of which for unreserved category there are 40 vacancies and rest are all for reserved category candidates. And here they have mentioned the candidate can apply and appear for either specialist or journalist and not for both. So you can apply for only one post and not multiple posts. And candidate who is already working in United India Insurance Company as an administrative officer scale 1, he should not apply or appear for the examination. And here they have mentioned the vacancies are substantially for the western and southern zone of the company, and candidates selected will be posted mostly to these locations only for a minimum period of 5 years, and you won't get any transfer. So do keep this in mind while applying, and thereafter you can be posted anywhere across the country. So do keep this in mind. If you want to relocate to your location, you have to be there at that present location for minimum 5 years. Now let's discuss the other eligibility conditions. As the cutoff date mentioned is 30th September 2024. Qualification asked, again that is as on 30th September 2024. So for finance and investments, here the qualification asked is either a CA or a CMA, or you should be a BCom graduate with 60% marks, or you should be a MCom from a recognized university. So here they have not mentioned MBA finance, so only CA, CMA, BCom and MCom holders are eligible. Now BBA or BMS also is not mentioned here, so you have to be among these qualification only. And for journalist, here they have mentioned the minimum education qualification requirement is graduate degree or postgraduate in any discipline from recognized university with 60% marks in either of the degree examination. So here you can apply for journalist post if you are having any graduation or post graduation degree, then you are eligible provided you are having 60% marks. And here they have mentioned candidates who have written the final examination for the minimum education qualification, that is basically graduation, as on 30th September 2024 and whose results are declared after 30th September 2024 are not eligible to apply. So your result should come before 30th September. Now age limit, friends, here the minimum age limit is 21 years and maximum age limit is 30 years as on 30th September, and they have specifically mentioned candidate must have been born not earlier than 1st October 1994 and not later than 30th September 2003. So both days are inclusive. So even if you are born on these days, then you are eligible. If you born before or after these days, then you are not eligible. Then there are age relaxation for reserve category candidate. You can check them in detail. Application fee, friends, the application fee is rupees 1000 plus taxes. This application fee is to be paid by candidates other than SC, ST, PWBD permanent employees of the organization. Now important dates, online registration is started from 15th October and last date of making online registration is 5th November 2024, and they have mentioned the date of online written examination will be 14th December 2024. It's a tentative date. Now selection procedure, very important. Friends, selection for all discipline will be made based on the overall performance in online examination and interview. So your online examination for specialist, it will be in 6 parts. First there will be reasoning, then English language, quantitative aptitude, general awareness, computer knowledge, and additional test to assess the technical and professional knowledge, basically the technical syllabus. So here you will have 25 questions from reasoning, 40 questions from English, 25 questions from quantitative aptitude, and 20 questions from general awareness, and 30 questions will be from your computer knowledge, and 60 questions will be there from your technical syllabus. And this technical syllabus will have 2 marks, so 60 question will have 120 marks, and computer knowledge will be of 20 marks, and general awareness will be of 20 marks. Quantitative aptitude will have 1 question will have 1 marks, that is 25 marks will be there, and English language again will be of 1 marks each, and same a case of reasoning. And separate time is also provided for each part. Medium of examination will be English as well as Hindi other than English language. So like this, total 200 questions will be asked. Maximum marks will be 250. and the time allowed will be 150 minutes. And for journalist category, here there will not be any technical syllabus or domain knowledge since it's a journalist administrative officer. So here you will be judged based on the non-technical syllabus, that is reasoning, English, QT, journal awareness and computer knowledge. And again it will be of 200 marks and maximum marks will be of 250, and 150 minutes is provided here. And then there will be a descriptive test, that is you have to write, and descriptive test will be of a 30 minutes duration with 30 marks. That will be test of English language, in that letter writing 10 marks and essay 20 marks. Descriptive test will be in English and will be conducted through an online mode, that is you have to type on a computer, and each candidate is required to obtain a minimum score for each section of objective test separately for shortlisting of the descriptive test evaluation. So you have to pass in each of these sections, that is English, reasoning, quantitative, aptitude, etc., to make yourself eligible for this descriptive test, and it will be available to only those candidates who have cleared the objective test. And there will be 1/4 negative marking in case of a wrong answer. Examination center. Friends, exam will be conducted across all the major cities in India. Then there will be an interview followed by your written test, and in that the weightage for online examination and interview will be 75:25. That is 75% weightage will be given to your written test and 25% weightage will be given to your interview. And this interview is only for the shortlisted candidate and not for all. Now probation. Friends, selected candidate on a probation period of 1 year, which may be extended at the discretion of the management. So basically 1 year is the probation period, and in case they don't find you suitable, they can extend your probation period. Now guarantee bond. So they have mentioned that before joining as a probation, the selected candidate for the appointment or regular payroll of the company is required to serve a company for a minimum period of 5 years, including the probation period. So you have to provide a guarantee bond that you will serve a company for minimum period of 5 years, and in case you resign, you have to pay an amount of rupees 35,000. Now perks and perquisites. So friends, here you mentioned that you will be in the pay scale of 50,925 to 96,765 pay scale, and apart from the basic pay, you will be paid all other benefits, perks and perquisites of the company as per their rules. And here the gross pay will be 88,000 per month at metropolitan centers, that is metro cities. You will be paid a gross pay of rupees 88,000 per month. Application procedure, how to apply. Friends, you have to apply through online mode only by visiting website of the company. Step by step process is mentioned here. You can check them in detail and apply accordingly. So that's all friend. If you are meeting the eligibility criteria, do give it a try. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end.